Whew. Good morning from Parker Dam, cabin number 9. We're back here in the cabin hollow for 2 nights. We had a wonderful drive up here yesterday, and went for a little bit of a drive because the cabin wasn't quite ready when we got here, about 2:30. What a night. We had a most enjoyable night sitting around the fire. We had pre-made some kind of like taco meat and rice and tortillas. Enjoyed those, sat around the fire, listening to music, just talking about things. It's our first trip out for the year, and we were both really happy that we decided to come here to Parker Dam. And I'll flip it around here and show you what Cabin Hollow is like, because I'm kind of impressed here by it. Let me do that. So there's a neighboring cabin and a bathhouse and another cabin. And what they do here is that's cabin 7 and that's cabin 8. So the bathhouse, 8 is on the left and 7 is on the right. Your key to your cabin fits the door to your restroom. So the same way with ours. We have cabin 9 and that's cabin 10 up there. There's our bathhouse. So we're on the right-hand side. It has a sink, a toilet, a shower, and a heater. It's heated. Now, being that it's Tuesday morning, we are the only ones back in here in Cabin Hollow. And I think there's 19 or 20 cabins back in here. Man, is it nice. It is really nice. You can see the whole way around here. It's wooded, mostly hemlock, but it's wooded. There is some maple in here. Our cabin, see that? It has a nice covered patio, picnic table. Our fire ring was right there. And we just chilled. I'll take you inside there. It's a little chaotic right there now because we just got up. But what a neat little place. Not a whole lot inside of it, but enough to make your stay comfortable. And then just back there, right through these trees right here, there's like a loop there. So this is a dead end road back here. And we saw, a couple of the custodians are back here, and we saw the ranger come through right before 4 o'clock, but there was only one other car that came back here the entire time we sat out here. And we sat out here till like 8 o'clock. And right down here, this hemlock, right here, there's a branch that comes out right up there. We had an owl land up there right at dusk last night and just was like checking us out. Somebody had tried to take some pictures, but I don't know if they came out good or not. It was really, really dark, but I saw him fly, and then when he landed there. And then, of course, I'll show you the clips. We had an adventure with a mouse in the cabin last night about 3 o'clock in the morning, but that's a whole story in itself. But yeah, I'm not quite sure what we're going to do here today. We've been looking over the trails. Maybe we might go for a little walk. There is a 9-mile driving loop that we might do up through the area here. It's I don't know if that'll focus. There's a little bit of blue up in the sky there. We'll see how it goes. But Pennsylvania Adventures 2024 has started. Come along. Thanks, everybody.
This is going to go all in. You watch. He dropped it.
Cabin number 9, 3:30 in the morning. There's a mouse that lives in the oven. He's going after the leftover tacos. He's in the pan. He's catching.
Yes, he is.
Seal him up. That there's funny. I don't care who you are. Well, we successfully trapped him, and now he's stuck underneath the pan. He don't look real happy. We're going to let him go. But, yeah, little bastard. This area back here in Cabin Hollow, the different cabins they have, are just beautiful. Many options of cabin styles and shapes for you to choose. Water table's pretty high. Coming up out of the ground right here, flowing down in there. Pretty neat. Now this area here, man, I'll tell you, it was just beautiful. There's a trail that takes you from Cabin Hollow over to the beach, and it's just phenomenal. See if I can walk and film at the same time. Pretty neat down in here. There she is, taking pictures. This is the inlet to the lake. Oh, trouty place here. See that? Flowing down in there, the pipe, the catch pipe there with some debris catcher on it. Another beaver branch down there. See that end of that? If I can get it. End of that chewed off. Now, I'm not sure if it'll pick it up or not. If you look across the way there, just to the right side where the dam ends, where that man is walking, up in the shadow of those trees, they have Parker Dam spelled out in rocks, it looks like. It's pretty cool. You can see it with a naked eye pretty good. I don't know if it'll show up on the video or not. Pretty neat. Yeah. So the sign says,
What?
ice thickness and conditions are not monitored this area.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's March 5th. How much ice do you see out there? None. Don't make me turn it around on you on the spot. It's a beautiful day. Sun shining, 65 degrees. Parker Dam State Park. Damn nice park. Get it? So there's a sign over here. It says, don't cross the fence. Trail to cross the dam is to the left. But I don't even know if you could rock hop across here. Maybe. But I think you'd get wet. I don't really see a dry way to get across there. Unless there's a bridge or something downstream, I'm not sure. Man, the spillway looks nice. Look up. I think the map says this is a 20-acre lake. Nice. I'd want to come here in the summertime. You already know, if there's a CCC camp or museum, I'm gonna stop and look. I was bummed that the doors were locked on this place the day we got there. Some of these shots though are from the 9 Mile driving loop, which we did in the morning while it was still cool. Fantastic. I recommend that 9 Mile driving loop. There's nothing like overwhelming to see, but it's cool. I enjoyed it. That video will be out next. Here's some shots from the first night there, campfire, dinner, a couple more from the CCC museum. Just what an outstanding full day we had at Parker Dam State Park. I loved it. Not many folks around, but as you can see by these photos and the videos, it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful state park. Loved it. I recommend it to anybody. The lake looked good. The beach looked good. There's lots to see and do here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This kind of stuff up here, I'll flip it around to make it easier. You know, back in the day, there's that CCC Museum. Back in the day, folks came out and picnicked all the time. I love all these picnic tables, the barbecue grills you can use. It's all free. You don't have to be staying at the campground to come out here and use them. And I think it's a forgotten thing in today's day and age for people to come out to a park just for the day and use the picnic stuff. But what a lake. What a place to come to on a day like today. We're in the summertime, you know? Come out, swim at the lake, come up, cook a couple burgers, take a nap. Look at that field. Take a nap in the field. There's a restroom up there. What all you need, man. Beautiful. We're on the road back to the cabins now. Impressed. Parker Dam State Park.